Cardinals. Welcome to Cooking with the Cupids. Today we have Chef Carter, Chef Antonio, Chef Zuri, and Chef Mateo. We're going to be making a tasty treat. Here's Mateo to tell us more.
A quick fun fact before we start our lesson. Cupid is a Roman god of love. How are you going to share love this Valentine's? Now, this treat is a very simple and delicious treat. Cupid, our cooking show Cupid, we love making delicious treats for everybody so they can enjoy. Here's more information for Antonio.
Hello, Cardinals. Today we'll be making a pretzel marshmallow cake pop dipped in chocolate. And we have Chef Carter to explain how to make this tasty treat.
First, you grab your pretzel stick, and then you put the marshmallow on the pretzel stick. Then you grab the chocolate, and you put the chocolate on your marshmallow, and then you add the sprinkles.
Now remember, Cardinals, sprinkles are optional.
Very.
Let's get the chocolate. Holy moly.
This looks amazing. Put some sprinkles on it if you like.
I'm gonna get red and pink and white sprinkles.
Me also.
Holy, look how delicious it looks, Cardinals. All right, Cardinals, that's it for today's lesson. Bye.